Hello, let's learn how to make this very royal looking, elegant fascinator. Welcome to my channel. This is KuchiElla Crafty. This is your first time of coming to my channel. Old subscribers, thank you. You are the bomb. Then new subscribers, please subscribe. Turn on your notification so that we can all enjoy this journey together. Let's go to class. For this fascinator, we need boning cut into different sizes. It is actually 7 in number. Fascinator hat, cap, bias strip, Alice band, flowers, and this net. A pair of scissors, your glue gun. This boning is, look at the size, is about 0.25. Just get this size or any size you want to use. The first thing we have to do is to wrap it with the bias strip. Please watch as I do it. You would have plugged your glue gun so that it will start melting. Then you take the bias strip this way, put a little glue here at the bottom. Just watch well to see how I do it. Then you wrap it up that way. And please be very careful so that you don't use the glue and mess up everywhere. You start to wrap. As I put the glue here, this beginning, then you start wrapping. It's a very tight wrap you're doing. Just follow me. It's tight and diagonal. It is tight and diagonal. So what I'm going to do, so that it will be easy for me, is to cut off a long strip that I believe will be enough for me for this particular size. See what I'm doing? Wrap it up in such a way that there will be no gap. But what I choose to do is a strategic point at the inside part of the boning. I apply glue. Just a strategic point, not all through. So I'm doing it. I've finished wrapping all the boning. So watch how I do it. With your candle glue, close it this way. Put a little and close it. Hold it down and let it stick together. So this one has closed. Then you pick up another one. This is how you will do all of them. Looking at it now, I have joined it together. The 7 of them. So the next thing I'll start doing, and I placed it according to their sizes. The next thing I'll start doing is to watch what I do. Glue it together. At that point where you joined all of them is where you glue it. Please don't glue it any other place. That is not where you joined it. So my glue is running out. I fix it back. Just in case you don't know how to fix back your glue that is finishing. There are 2 ways. Either you just insert it and continue using it, or you put glue here, then pass it inside so that you can glue to the existing one. Then you continue your work. So I do this until I'm done. When you put it, please press it down. So this will be the time to attach this thing to the cap, to the, it can be here. It can still be this way or that way. But for me, I prefer it this way. So make sure it is aligned properly the way you want it to be. Then when you have gotten the place you want to put it, pin it down and raise it, or because this thing needle can penetrate it, so you can pass a needle there, picking up the cloth in the Alice band, the fabric on the Alice band. Then you can now remove it so that you can sew it. See, I picked up the fabric on the Alice band. So the next thing will be to sew it. So I'm starting from the bottom now. You just do many in out sewing, in out, in out, in out. Then you are good to go. I've made it tight, so it's no longer wobbly. When I shake it, it's firm. That is what you hope to achieve, to make it firm. So after doing this, wear it back on the dummy. Then this fascinator net, gather it like so. This one measures half yard, 20 inches, sorry. From here to here measures 20 inches. So that's the length I'm using. So gather it like what I'm doing. And keep your threaded hand needle handy, because you use it to attach it to the cap. So see what I have. Then use the needle, attach it. Make sure you have knotted your needle. Oh. Then take the cap, place it on it. You see the way it is. This is what we are hoping to achieve. You place it on it this way and you sew with the same needle, the threaded needle that you have that is still attached to it. You sew it down, attaching it. So the next thing now will be to attach this. Oh yeah, for us to be sure that this thing is very firm, there's something else I want to do. So looking at this thing now, you would notice that I tied it together with thread so that it will be firm. You remember we glued it together. Then now I've tied it together with thread to be firm. Then the next thing we are going to do is look at our fascinator this way and place it like this. Now this is the front of the fascinator. So you are going to place it on top of where you sewed the net. Place it there. So the thing will come forward this way. Let me show you what it looks like when it's on the dummy. You always, when you are working on this, use a dummy so that you get the placement. When you place it on the dummy, the design I'm going for is that it's slanted on one side. So if you want your own to be at the center, no problem, put it at the center. I just moved it to the side, all right? So it's about the design you're going for. If the order I got, the design is supposed to go to the side. This spiral is supposed to go to the side. So place it on the dummy. That's why you cannot do this fascinator without a dummy. Place it on the dummy and get the proper placement of these spirals. Then you attach the spirals to the heart with the needle and thread. Okay, so now I'm done attaching it to the cap. See what it looks like. Look at it. Fully attached to the cap. So the next step will be to fix the fascinator flowers. These are the ones I'm using. I got two of them. So now the fascinator flower, you have to figure out how to fix it so that it will be good for your work. You can fix it this way. You can even fix it here, which is where I'm thinking I will fix it. Fix it on top of this place. There are two. You see what I'm doing? I'm intending to do it this way because this is a bold look fascinator. So that when the person steps in, her presence will be announced by the fascinator. I have come. So that's what I'm going to do. I will attach it with needle and thread before I now use something to cover it. So I'll be back. So here is the finished work. You finally see I used the silver applique to place the rough area where I sewed the feathers to the cap. So after sewing the feathers to the cap, I now used glue to attach the applique to that place. So when you are doing yours, make sure you cover it to be very neat. Please do not stop watching this video. Get to the end. There's a beautiful picture I want you to see at the end of where my client, the customer who ordered this, was wearing it. Please, have you subscribed to this channel? Do what to subscribe. I would love to always see you come back to watch my videos and turn on your notification buttons. All my subscribers, your notification buttons are not on. You don't even know when I post. Now see the surprise I was talking about. Isn't she lovely? See how regal and elegant she's looking. Do yours and tag me. Send me a message on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.